severe weather advisory in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 1 a.m. EST Sunday. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations up to 1 inch and ice accumulations up to 0.2 of an inch. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 1 a.m. EST Sunday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details. Areas south of Highway 30 closer to central Ohio may see lesser amounts of freezing rain due to temperatures warming up above freezing Saturday afternoon. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.